The PT-E300VP Electrician's label printer from Brother. Prints durable, easy-to-read labels up to 18mm. Enables you to deliver a professional job compliant with the identification requirements of the wiring regulations. Allows creation of a wide range of warning notices and identification labels. The PT-E300VP comes with a hard shell case containing everything you need for compliant on-site labelling. The backlit screen and QWERTY keyboard ensures straightforward label creation. You can quickly access relevant electricians and datacom symbols and templates. As well as labels, you can create heat shrink tubing for robust cable identification. The Brother PT-E300VP, the perfect solution for compliant electrical labelling. Ask for more details in store today.